The Jewish people, a history so long. Through trials and tribulations they stood tall. A story of resilience, they never fall. In every corner of the earth their spirit shone bright. With unwavering resolve they faced the night.
Oh, the courage of a Jewish soul. In the face of adversity they reach their goal. With faith and strength they rise above. A testament to the power of love.
From ancient times to modern days, their history is marked by trials and frays. Surviving oppression, they'd endure the fight. With hearts full of hope, they'd see the light. Through deserts wide and seas so vast, their legacy endures steadfast.
Oh, the courage of a Jewish soul. In the face of adversity they reach their goal. With faith and strength they rise above. A testament to the power of love. Deserts wide and seas so vast, the legacy endures steadfast. Oh, the courage of a Jewish soul. In the face of adversity they reach their goal. With faith and strength they rise above. A testament to the power of love.
Their courage will not dissipate. For innocent lives they'll always mourn. In the face of terror, their spirits reborn. In the land where dreams came true, Israel's story vibrant and new. They built a nation from the sand and stone, a place they could finally call their own. With every step they forged their path. In unity and strength they stood at last.
Oh, the courage of a Jewish soul. In the face of adversity they reach their goal. With faith and strength they rise above. To the power of love.
Terror's cruel reign, they face the darkness, conquer the pain. With unity they stand so strong, a people who knew where they belong. Through every trial they held on tight, their hearts ablaze, a beacon of light.
Oh, the courage of a Jewish soul. In the face of adversity they reach their goal. With faith and strength they rise above. In the middle of God's wasteland taken, never be forsaken, we stand.